D9, Bulldozer, 583, 583, Honolulu, said aloha.
Hello 583, I hear you, 583 750. Hello 583, you're 750, One Pill Station, Down Under.
Hello 123 Down Under, hello 123 Down Under, Delta 14 with a quick wave, aloha. Hey Delta 1. Delta 140 with a quick wave in now, quickly waving right back, Delta 14, I'm cruising, I'm stepping wide, I'm shutting this thing down, bar. Okay, that 123 Down Under and Bulldozer came down. Honolulu was going to stand by, aloha.
Hello 583 750, hello 583 750.
Oh, a lot of feedback in my radio, 06 Postman, talking Mobile down in the back of the mail.
Hello, Postman, number 6, 583, Honolulu. Hello, Postman, number 6. Hello, Postman, number 6.
Hello 583, can't get it back to 583, but we tried again, 750. Hello 583 750, checking in.
Bulldozer, real quick wave out there. Bulldozer and Postman. Hey, Bulldozer, you're on top right about now. And I'm waving to you, Postman. No, Bulldozer.
Hey, number 6 on the 2-pill driver, man. That 2-pill driver's talking on my...
750, I want to get it in, 750.
6 Postman, 2-pill into a 16-pill. Number 6, you're 06
the M400 on the flat side, got all the way down. Right there, Postman. Yep. I'm still working on it, though. And, yeah. Hey, Bulldozer, you on the M400? That's what you said. Aloha. That's what I'm doing. I'm just running the M400, man. Just cruising right about now. Number 6, M400.
750, I'm going to try and mix it up, 750, we try and mix it up, 750.
Postman, Mobile. It's only a Mobile now, 2-pill, driving 16 pills. Hey, number 6.
Hey, number 6, that's M400 right there. M400, DC technology, got all the way down. Check on that DC technology. You guys are coming in and out, man. You guys just, it's a race there. All right, there, Postman, and number 6, I'm gonna slide to the side and let the full-time gang do a little bit of talking. Bye guys, aloha.
Hey, number 6, can I get a better lock on you?
Hey, number 6, tell him 750 one more time, 750 one more time.
Audio in this fucker, number 6, a whole lot of DC, a whole lot of audio. Bulldozer got down right there. Yeah, I think Bulldozer's working conditions right now there, Postman. Hey, Postman, I think Bulldozer's working the conditions. Postman, Bulldozer, number 6. Hey, number 6, it's all about the flat side conditions, man. Working the worldwide flat sides, and I've got the conditions right now. Hey, number 6, I'm just working the worldwide flat side, man, and just working them like a vacuum cleaner and just sucking out them conditions. Hello, number 6, full bars with a bit more audio right there, breaker.
Gate don't lie, man. No doubt about it. Alright, it's flat side to Mobile and he's got it all. That's no doubt, man. Alright. No worries there, number 6. Appreciate you doing the gate anyway. You're 06 Postman, this small talking Mobile, bottom side of Australia. I had to jump in the Mobile, man, because this wild storm flew through my neighbourhood.
That's what happened. Hey, number 6, that's what happened. Tell them be careful on the wet roads out there. We got floods and that going on this 1020, man. I got the driveway. I have to roll a boat down coast, man. I'm gonna slide to the side and I'll take a rain check. All right there, guys. Aloha. All right, mate. Click, click. I'm out. Click, click.
And 750 is here too.
Day number 6 before you go. Delta 14 waving. Check on that right there. 14. Aloha. Hey, Bulldozer. 757 coming out of Honolulu is waving to you. Bulldozer 757 coming out of Honolulu is waving. Delta 14, we're standing by. Alright, 757, mate, you're doing your thing, mate. 757, you're doing your thing right there, come on. Listen to rain. It's all the rain on my roof. It's pouring down by the fucking loads and I'm back quiet. I'm gonna get a boat, I think.
Yeah, I've kind of missed it, Dozer. It hasn't passed through this area yet. It's just bypassed this area.
583, I'm 77. Out here cruising the aluminum tree line. Check, 14, said aloha.
Hey, Dozer, it's still not bad here at the moment.
Mate, it's pouring down. I can't. My driveways are washed with water, and the gutters just touching both sides on the road out the front there. Fake.
Yeah, it's bypassed through here. Nothing at the moment. It's close, but yeah, it just dodged the bullet.
Well, the end of my street is a big lake of water, man.
Yeah, you copped it down your area worse than here. Yeah, it's more down. It's more in the west.
It's pouring hard. All right, I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna find me. I have to get my old raincoat and all that sort of crap out. I'll find an umbrella.
Check on that.
I'm back stepping.
I think conditions are just about gone.
Just cruising the Mobile now.
Cruising.
If I could shake this static out of my antenna, I reckon I could pick some stuff up, mate. Right there's the conditions sort of doing its thing. The rain sort of eased up. I can hear what's going on. 2594, I heard you in that 2594. Delta 14 coming out of Honolulu. Aloha. Hey, Delta 14, one more time, mate. I'll get it back. I'll get this worldwide radio check. Delta 14, g'day, mate. Check on that. Delta 14, we're still reading you out. Hook up a surfboard on the back of your mobile and then you can have some.
Now I'm definitely shutting it down, postman. If you can still hear me.
Alright, mate, bit rough and tough. I got a bit of, I know, you know, when you get a rainstorm and you get all that, I got that doing about